Good morning.
Good morning.
So we are in the process of getting our final stuff packed up, but we are going to head to breakfast and grab something to eat, and then we're going to come back, finish packing up, and then it will be time to leave the ship. We have a long travel day in front of us, but we'll have solace knowing that Washington is going to the national championship game next week, and
that our next cruise is in less than 120 days.
Exactly. Norwegian Bliss, we're coming for you.
Woohoo!
But let's get today rolling.
Look what I found! Look what I found! Look what I found! So excited!
Hi, I'm Matthew.
And I'm Susan. Together we love to travel.
One of our favorite places to be
Is aboard a Norwegian ship at sea.
good food, drinks, and friends.
Make a relaxing trip indeed.
So come along with us.
As we let the sea set us free. Woo!
Okay, we're making our way to breakfast.
All right, one last breakfast at Seven Seas. Starters for breakfast have arrived. I got strawberry yogurt with a sliced banana, and Matthew got his fruit salad with a tiny bit of cottage cheese. All right, main course for breakfast has arrived. I got the French toast with ham, bacon, and corned beef hash on the side. Matthew got eggs to order with ham, bacon, sausage, potatoes, as well as a bagel and sliced cheese on the side. Thank you.
Okay, so we've got it all packed up.
Whew.
And it's time to say goodbye to our favorite ship. Goodbye, Norwegian Sun. Goodbye. Goodbye, Stateroom 5002. Time to head out.
At this time, please see the gangway on deck number 5.
And with that, we are off to Norwegian Sun and back in Baltimore. So we noticed the U-Haul and we were wondering if JC was doing a light wardrobe move, or because he was mentioning how much clothes he has at home, but okay, we're waiting for the Uber, and we have all our bags. There's the sun. It was a fun cruise though, right?
It was excellent. Yes.
Can't wait to do it again. Norwegian Bliss, you're next. headed to Baltimore's Penn Station.
Washington, D.C. and Norfolk, Virginia.
Attention please. This is the last call for Amtrak Northeast Regional Train 141. En route to Norfolk with intermediate stops at WIR, Newcastle, Washington Union Station, Alexandria, Woodbridge, Farmville, Westford, Ashland, Richmond, Fayetteville, Petersburg. Passengers should proceed to gate E, track 6.
Attention please. This is a boarding call for Amtrak Silver Star Train 91 en route to Miami with intermediate stop at Washington Staples Hill, Petersburg, Rocky Mount, Raleigh, Perry, Southern Pines, Hanford, Camden, Columbia, Denmark, Savannah, Jacksonville, Flat, Deland, Winter Park, Orlando, Kissimmee, Lakeland, Tampa, Winter Haven, Sebring, Okeechobee, West Palm Beach, Delray Beach, Deerfield Beach, Fort Lauderdale.
arrived back here at Union Station in DC, and we are waiting on our checked luggage to get off the train, and then we'll go find some lunch. Here in Union Station, you have several food choices, and today we are going to choose Chipotle. Alright, so for lunch, I got the chicken burrito, and Matthew got the carne asada burrito bowl.
Okay, we're gonna head out and catch an Uber now. Alright, we made it to the airport. Time to drop off these big bags and then go through security. Okay, bags have been dropped. Let's head to security. Okay, so we cleared security and we are on our way out to the B gates to catch our Alaska Airlines flight. Here we go on the tram out to B gates.
Please hold on. The train is departing. This is off the gate. Please hold on. Please hold on. We are arriving at the gate. Make sure you have all your personal belongings and watch your step as you exit. Please hold on. We are arriving at the gate. Make sure you have all your personal belongings and watch your step as you exit.
Arrived at B gates. Now we have to go find B65.
So we found the gate, B65. It's the gate that we arrived in over a week ago. So
Not as far away as we thought it was. Yeah.
I was hoping it was the gate that I was thinking it was. It was.
On flight 351 to Seattle. Just a reminder that this is a full flight.
Good evening to everybody. So, as my colleague just went to help out my other colleague, so the flight's coming right now. We're gonna offload people, the plane and everything, and try to get you guys to Seattle as soon as we can.
You ready to go home?
Mm-hmm. Yep, I'm ready.
Now boarding Group 1 customers as well as U.S. military personnel, military leave, may board flight to Charlotte 5582.
Time to board our flight to the other Washington.